I'm Joe Quinn from Power Edge Pro Hockey, and basically Power Edge Pro got started, I would say, about 14, 15 years ago. You know, I've been pioneering small area training, reactive training. I've done everything from tires to, sticks on pylons and even auditorium chairs out on the ice. Anything that would challenge the players that was a reactive component. Because in the game, it's a reactionary game, and pylons wasn't doing it for me, like many other guys just like myself. And then it just evolved into a private school, in a sports school in Toronto, where we had 52 boys, including Connor McDavid and the Sue Bands, and Doug Gilmore's kids were there. A lot of high-end players in Toronto. Their children went to this school, and we just really grew it from, I think, 6, 7 kids right up to 52 players over 4 years. Really, how it all started was it gone from wood and tires to a prototype with metal, now to the molded product that you see with the functionality of the multi-positional stick off the back, the open lane on the front, and it's made in Canada, it's all molded there. And now there's even a software, we've got a software that's supported by Apple so that the players can even learn this when they're at home. So it's, players today are visual learners, so to have all the different 45, 50 different individual skills and tactics for the players to learn at home and then come to the rink and train with the interactive equipment is really special, and it's rapid learning. The most important skill today, in my opinion, is reactive hockey training. Small area, it's, there's so much isolated training going on in terms of no pucks and no reactive component, no resistance, no pressure, and it's not game transfer. The major advantage of Power Edge Pro is that obviously the product is multi-patented. We've been awarded 2 patents in the US, 2 in Canada now, in Europe. There's another patent coming out with digital applications. And you're seeing this product grow now into the Canadian Hockey League, the NCAA, and even now in the last few weeks, NHL teams now. We've got about 30 NHL players that train. A lot of the NHL teams looking at this for their prospects because we're the only company that offers this kind of training, reactionary training. And it is new, but the benefits are just tremendous because players are training with pylons and open ice and not having any kind of a reactionary component, and today's game is all about that. 2/3 of the game is in one zone. You have to be able to create space down low, and those teams that can create space obviously have more zone time and more opportunities to score. So some of the skills that we used, that we did today, was the McDavid triple and the McDavid on the fly, for example. When the players are skating up to the apparatus at full speed, they have to get out of the way of trouble. That's the apparatus. And at the same time, they have to counter their skills with the puck through the open lane, over the open lane, or through the stick. That's really key because that's game transfer. Same as a defenseman, one of the individual tactics that we did was a forward-backwards transition through the stick. And what we were looking for the defensemen, in terms of the defenseman's perspective, is when you pivot backwards, you're coming back to the stick, we want to see the player counter with an escape. But we want to add pressure to that as well. And again, that's game transfer versus skating in the open ice with no pressure, with no kind of reactionary component. What I love about the Gentry Academy here is similar. I proved this product in a private academy in Toronto, and the advantage of being on the ice every single day. Well, I can tell you, Connor McDavid was on the ice with me every day, and twice a week we did this Power Edge Pro. So the individual skills that they're acquiring and the repetitions they're acquiring every single day is a major advantage for a hockey player. There's no doubt about it. What I like here is they're able to implement this every single day. They've got obviously the academics, and they've got this program as well, so it's very exciting that they have this here.